for you. In this video tutorial I will show you that how you can merge or combine multiple PDF files into a single PDF. For that, what we need here, first of all, you can go to the description and download that Adobe version. That is absolutely free and full version with activation steps for you. Once you have installed that, come back. I'll show you that how you can combine multiple PDF files into a single PDF. So I have here 3 PDF files. One is HP 360 convertible, second is Logitech 175, another Logitech one. We have 3 files here. What we can do here, once you have installed the Adobe Acrobat 11 on your computer, you can select multiple files like this and then right click on it. You have an option here, combine files in Acrobat. Click on it. Files added over here. This has 4 pages. You can see here it has 1 page, and this file has 2 pages on it. You have the options here. You can change options by your own as per your need. Then the only thing that you need to do here is that you just need to click on this combine files option. Click on it. It will take quick seconds and it will convert your files into one PDF and it will open up in front of you. Here you can see the file has been converted. Now we have 7 pages, 1 to 7. The first one is for HP manual, that is 360 convertible. If you go down, now this is for the mouse, you can see, and this is the another file. We have 2 pages on it. So you can see here it has successfully converted your files into a one PDF. What you need to do here, you just need to save that file. Go to the file menu, choose the option save as, and then choose your desired location where you want to save. For I'll choose a desktop and I'll rename that file. Then click on save button. It will quickly save your files in your desktop screen. If I just close it down, now you can see I have combined PDF files. If I just open it up, I'll open it up with Adobe. Now you can see here we have converted files here. So guys, this is the way you can add multiple files into a single PDF by using Adobe Acrobat 11 Pro version. Thank you.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.